Now for our origami project of the Dodecahedron, right? We need to actually fold little template tabs to assemble. Now here we see that it says it wants you to go ahead and take a piece of paper and fold it into thirds, which we have already here, right? We have a mountain fold and a valley fold. So let's do that, right? Here's a mountain and a valley. Then, this is very important. When we take this, you need to fold it and have it this way. Notice the way the zigzag is. This is very, very critical and important. We take this, and according to the diagram, we're going to meet this corner with this top right corner. So here we are. We're going to meet this corner all the way up here. And that will be our fold. And then what is very, very critical, is that here we notice we have a valley and a mountain fold. Notice the arrows. Don't make the mistake of automatically folding this back. It is not to be folded back. It is to be folded to the left, over, and then back here, I'm going to turn this to the left and over. Okay, so here we are, right? We've done this. And now what it wants you to do is to then, looking at this diagram, take this and fold it over, and then when we unfold it, you will notice something very critical that you need for all these little tabs. You need to have a valley and a mountain and a mountain. A valley and a mountain going from lower left to upper right, lower left to upper right. If you don't create a tab that is like this, you will actually run into some issues when we start assembling your hedron here.